Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. I know I look a little crazy, but if you ever wake up and your face feels a little hot and puffy and laying ice cubes all over your face sounds like it would feel wonderful, this mask by Perfecore is perfect for you. So this has been in the freezer, and so these little things are super cold, and it feels so refreshing on my face. I can't get over it. And it is super convenient because even though I look a little crazy, I can continue to get stuff done while my face is getting a little bit less puffy and I'm getting very refreshed. It has this really nice elastic band, and then it velcros, so you can get it around your head really nice and secure. This would be so nice if you deal with headaches. You can also stick this in the microwave for 7 seconds at a time, up to 30 seconds to get it as hot as you need it to. If you are one who doesn't want this plastic touching against your face, or you don't want it quite so cold or so hot, it comes with this really soft cover that you can put on. And not only is it extra soft on your face if you're dealing with migraines or you have light sensitivity, that covers the eye holes, so then you get a really nice, peaceful, dark atmosphere. So if you deal with headaches, or you wake up and you feel like your eyes and face are all puffy because you're a mom and you don't get enough sleep, this mask by Perfecore is truly perfect. It feels so good. And that is my point of view.